I want to talk about one plant I'm surprised not many people know about, and that is very good. The name of this plant is Borage. It's got the smell and taste of a fresh cucumber, and you can use it fresh leaves for a salad. It's bloody very good, let me tell you. And it grows very easy, self-seeded, and doesn't have to be taken care of very much, and it can grow somewhere on a side of the yard garden. It doesn't require specific space. It grows quite big. This one is seeds come here with the compost second half of the summer, and it still grow. It's gonna develop some flowers and gonna have more seeds for the next season. It has a beautiful flowers. When it starts blooming, it doesn't grow leaves anymore. Or maybe this one is because of on the pot, but I cut the leaves. I use it in the kitchen, and flowers are eatable too. Actually, it's looked to me like everything can be eatable, but besides it can you use for as a fresh leaves. I tried to dry them, and I succeeded. The texture of the leaves at the back is quite rough, but little needles sharp. But when you wash them and cut them on your salad, you don't feel it, you eat it, and it's fine. So what I do, I cut them on small pieces, put it in a box. The box absorbs moisture, and it's dry. I cut even steams too, because nothing wrong with that. They're nice and juicy. And I dry it, couple of bottles, and I will make sesonic salt for a salad. Same way I do with the leek. Many people pickle them, but I cut the leaves and I dry them, and it's come out very nice. Also add it mixed together with this perhaps and make sesonic salt. Well, you can mix it any herbs. This is dill dried, also mix it, but I use for different spices, different mixture. So like this, 2 onions cut this morning, and here they're growing roots. And I made 3 bottles already of the dry onion, and then 1 bottle I already crushed into a powder. So it's from 1 bottle of dry onion, it's get about half bottle of onion powder. So it takes very little space, and then later when I need it, and I can mix the spices and use it for different dishes. I don't grind them at once, because this way they stay dried and fresh longer. When you crush into a powder, you have to mix it with the salt, or mix it straight with the other spices. Here I've got different ones. So I crush them whenever I need it to make spices. This marigold flower, dried petals, and then grind it into a powder. They are very good for chilies. When you make chilies, some sauce, or pickle them, preserve for the winter. So, and I try to dry many greens. I can't see what is in there. Many green plants, like parsley, I even dried rosemary, not rosemary, lavender. This is lavender leaves, and this is lavender flowers. So this is, perhaps you can do something with it as well. And the borage you never see in a grocery store, simply because they don't stay fresh for a long time, and that's why nobody growing for sale. And I'm surprised people don't know anything about. So just for you to keep in mind, it is very good for you. It's got lots of vitamins, very healthy. Thank you.